This golden liquid may look simple, but producing avocado oil requires one of the most advanced food factories in the world.
Every day, thousands of avocados are transformed into pure oil, using powerful industrial machinery.
Every bottle of avocado oil begins here, in vast orchards where the fruit slowly matures under the sun. Harvesting must be gentle to protect the delicate flesh inside the avocado.
Each avocado is collected and gathered into crates for the journey ahead.
Across the orchard, teams work row by row to collect the ripe fruit.
Once harvested, the avocados are quickly gathered for transport. Speed matters. Business whilst you honey pregnant. Freshness preserves the oil locked inside the fruit.
The harvest now begins its journey to the processing facility.
Tons of avocados travel daily from orchard fields to industrial extraction plants. And this is where the transformation from fruit to oil begins. Freshly harvested avocados now arrive at the industrial facility where processing begins.
Every delivery is carefully handled to protect the quality of the fruit.
Forklifts quickly move the heavy crates toward the receiving area.
The fruit is delivered directly to the intake systems of the processing plant.
From this point forward, machines take over the movement of the fruit.
Gravity and conveyors guide the avocados deeper into the facility.
The fruit now enters the first stage of industrial preparation.
Before processing begins, every avocado must be thoroughly cleaned.
Industrial washers prepare the fruit for precision sorting.
Now the avocados are ready for inspection and sorting. Inside the facility, the fruit enters the controlled industrial environment.
The first inspection ensures only healthy avocados continue through the process.
Every avocado is checked to maintain the quality of the final oil.
Only the best fruit moves forward to the processing systems.
Industrial elevators move tons of fruit between processing levels. The fruit climbs higher into the heart of the plant. Next comes deeper cleaning before the extraction begins. Powerful cleaning systems remove remaining dirt from the fruit.
Dry fruit ensures smooth operation in the next machines.
Now the avocados are ready for precise industrial sorting.
Advanced grading systems evaluate every avocado before processing. Sorting ensures consistent oil extraction efficiency. Imperfect fruit is removed to protect the quality of the oil.
Now the fruit moves toward the first transformation stage.
Industrial cutters prepare the fruit for pulp extraction.
Now the fruit moves toward the first transformation stage.
The rich green pulp that holds the oil is now exposed. The fruit is slowly transformed into a dense avocado paste. Massive mixers prepare the pulp for oil separation. Careful mixing helps release the oil trapped inside the pulp. Next comes the powerful machinery that separates oil from pulp. The avocado paste now enters the powerful extraction machinery. Centrifugal force separates the valuable oil from the fruit pulp.
Within seconds, the oil begins to emerge from the spinning system.
The first raw avocado oil is now collected. But before it becomes a finished product, the oil must be refined. Filtration systems remove fine pulp particles from the oil. Each filter stage improves the purity of the oil.
The oil begins to reveal its smooth golden color.
Precise control keeps the extraction process stable. Now the oil moves into the advanced transformation systems. The extracted avocado oil now enters the refining stage. Controlled heat and mixing stabilize the natural oils.
Precise adjustments ensure consistent oil quality.
Next, the oil moves into a purification system. Gravity helps remove the final traces of solid residue.
Now the oil moves toward its final purification stage.
Polishing filters refine the oil to exceptional clarity. Now the oil reveals its signature golden hue. Huge tanks store the refined oil before packaging.
The oil now travels toward the automated packaging lines.
The refined avocado oil now reaches the automated bottling facility. Empty bottles move in perfect rhythm along the production line.
Precision filling machines deliver the exact amount of oil.
Every bottle is measured with strict accuracy.
Next, the bottles are sealed to preserve freshness.
Secure caps protect the oil from air and contamination. Brand labels transform the bottles into finished products.
Automated scanners verify every bottle leaving the line. Robotic systems prepare the bottles for packaging.
Now the finished avocado oil is ready for final packaging.
The finished bottles begin entering the packaging stage. Automation ensures precise and efficient packing.
Each carton is sealed for safe transport. Traceability codes track every batch of oil produced. Automated scales verify each carton before shipment.
Automated scales verify each carton before shipment.
Robots organize cartons into large pallet loads.
A single pallet now holds hundreds of bottles.
Protective wrapping stabilizes the load for transport.
Workers perform a final visual inspection. Before shipment, samples from each batch undergo strict quality checks. Now the finished product moves to storage before distribution.
Lab technicians begin detailed chemical testing.
Random bottles are selected for laboratory analysis.
Color and clarity reveal the purity of the oil. Advanced instruments verify the oil's composition.
Only oil meeting strict standards passes inspection.
Approved batches are cleared for distribution.
The tested product returns to the shipment line.
Now the oil prepares for its journey to markets worldwide.
The final stage of the factory process is ready to begin.
Pallets of finished avocado oil are now prepared for transport. Each shipment carries thousands of bottles. Securing the load ensures safe delivery.
The finished product leaves the factory. From orchards to advanced machinery, the journey is complete. Thousands of bottles are produced every day.
And this is how modern factories produce avocado oil from start to finish.
A blend of agriculture, engineering, and precision.
Transforming simple fruit into one of the world's most valuable cooking oils. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.